Hey guys, let's see how to extend a monitor on a MacBook. Here I'm using a splitter. As you can see, there's a cable here, but this cable is not connecting directly to the external monitor. First it goes to a splitter, and then from the splitter it comes here to this monitor, right? But it's working. As you can see here, I have this application, then I can move from monitor to monitor, so it is extending. Here's the main screen. Here's a secondary screen, so I'm gonna show you how it works. Well, basically here, when you come to this Apple and to the system settings, you can see here the display options, right? You can search here for display, or you can just come directly here and click on display. And here, as long as I have connected here, the monitor connected here, I can manage, right? So you see as a BMD HDMI display, that's the ASUS monitor that I have here. And built-in display, that's the one here for the MacBook itself, right? So let's say, for example, that I want to disconnect. I just come here and I select here, right? The option that I have, let's say, for example, when I click here, it's an extended display right now. So I just click here on mirror, and now I have both monitor showing the same thing, right? Usually, if yours is like this and want to change to extend it, then you just need to come here and stop mirroring, and then you can use as extended display. So here you see that's working again as an extended display, right? And also you can set up the way you want. Let's say, for example, that you want to use this as a main display. You can just select here as well. See BMD HDMI here. Then you can select as a main display. Now it's a main display in here, and this is a secondary display, right? So it works like this, and you can also rearrange here. Let's say, for example, here you want to change the way you see it. You can just move around, right? You see here that it becomes red. There's a red rectangle here that shows if you have the monitor side by side. You can use that way. It's not the case here. So see, when I move the mouse here, it disappears and appears here, right? If you have like the monitor side by side, you can use that way. But in my case, I just need to put that in a different way here. Then I can have the mouse moving from top to bottom, right? So you just need to make sure that you have the built-in display here on the bottom and the external display here on the top, right? So I hit done here, so I can move the mouse from here to here easily. It works pretty fine. And also you can select the display when you're extending or you're mirroring the display. Let's say, for example, you want to mirror. Let me just mirror the display. And then you can select here to optimize for the one that's here, right? So you see now it extends here and fills all the area because it's optimized for this one, for the external display, right? If I want to optimize for the MacBook Pro, I just click here. You see now that I have black bars on both sides here. Is not optimized for this one, but for this one. So it's pretty easy. For the splitter, for example, if you want to record something like I have here a device between the MacBook and the monitor that's recording back there, goes to the splitter, to recorder, and then comes here, right? If I want to record this screen, for example, I want to optimize here. So I do this, right? I come here and optimize for the HDMI. So I have the entire area here working as expected, right? And you can also change the resolution here the way you want. So pretty easy. So that's the way you can extend or even mirror the display here on a MacBook Pro. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.